arguably the hottest car of the Bharat Mobility Expo that we've been longing for is here. This is the MG Cyberster. What we know is that this is going to be the very first electric sports car that's making its way to India. I'm going to quickly run you through the numbers and get that out of the way. Dual electric motor setup, 510 horsepower, 725 Newton meters of torque, 77 kilowatt hour battery pack, over 443 kilometers of range, all-wheel drive, and 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. Now that is good performance, great range, and awesome acceleration. Now let's quickly get into the looks of the car. Headlamps is something that I really appreciate, and MG has gone for this very nice detailed headlamp. So you have like elements going on the top, a projector, plus you have these tiny DRL elements going on. There's a lot of character that MG has put into it. Looks very nice. So since this is inspired from a classic MG, there's a lot of typical British sports car or British roadster vibe going in with the car. A lot of functional aero as well. This is a functional vent. This is a very, it's almost got like a smiling face. If you can see, if you just come back a little, you'll see this sort of a smiling face happening over here. Yeah, it's quite cute, honestly. A nice large MG logo on the front. This sort of has like a split bumper situation happening at the front. I like it. You tell me in the comments if you do. But the one thing that I really find interesting are the wheels. Yes, they are 20-inch wheels. And yes, you're going to have a question about ride quality, but I'm not going to talk about that right now because we still haven't driven the car, which we will very, very soon. Red brake calipers, which are from Bembo, by the way. And then doors that go up. I mean, who does not like doors that go up? Tell me. Honestly, I think since childhood, we've got posters. We've always had doors up, be it Lamborghinis, even Mercedes for that matter. Yes, of course, they were gull wings, but doors that went up, we always loved them, and I love this. Yes, of course, it is electronically managed, which is going to be a bummer someday, I assume. But I think we're quite sorted the other way. Moving on to the back, this is a very, I find it to be a little chaotic, but you can have an opinion of yourself. You have arrows for tail lamps with a nice huge light bar happening at the back and a very sporty diffuser. I like the fact that not a lot of carbon fiber is seen, or rather no carbon fiber is seen on this car as of now, but I'm pretty sure there might be some specs or some options where you can get carbon fiber, definitely. And also, this car has quite a lot of space with the roof down. Now, again, these are some things that we don't see with sports cars, but with this we get to see, which is a really, really nice thing. And now that I've shown you everything about the car on the exterior, yes, there's a lot of aero bits going on the car, and it's not active, but it's in terms of the design. So it's got this nice scooped front, so the haunches have risen, this as well, and then this sort of rises up from here. So this goes seamless, and it's sort of like a spoiler in itself. But again, it's a very sculpted design, looks awesome. Now it's time to move inside and tell you how premium that cabin feels, because from here I can tell you it feels really nice. Now I sat inside the MG Cyberster, and this is something I've been craving to do with this car, which is just close the door, because yeah, that feeling of closing those scissor doors is always an amazing feeling. This is a very driver-focused cockpit. If you've seen one of those Corvettes from Chevy, the cockpit is exactly very similar, very driver-focused. So you have this grab handle over here. The AC controls lie here. You have the entire drive selection that's on right next to the AC controls. Again, very tactile, nice hard buttons. A 3-display setup. So you have your infotainment on the left, the driver display here, and you have your heads up that's displayed on the right. So your indicators, which will be displayed over here as well. Whenever you indicate, there are cameras which will display all of the surroundings that you have. Very cool features happening. You have nice toggles over here to switch the car into super sport and your drive modes as well. The materials inside the car feel very premium. You have suede going on in these sport seats with leather. I honestly like the entire color scheme that MG's gone for as well. But again, initially we've been told that this car is going to be sold as a CBU, and eventually we could expect it to be CKD'd. But coming to price, we do not have a price as of now, but MG says that this will be priced very competitively. So I expect it to be around the 50 to 60 lakh rupee price point. So if you actually put numbers into perspective, which is about 500 odd horsepower and 700 newton meters of torque with a roadster design, yes, it's electric, but if you keep that aside, the amount of power this car has on tap with all of the equipment on offer, if I had that kind of money, I'd be putting it on this car. But you tell me in the comments what you feel about the MG Cyberster, and we'll be getting you a lot more content from the Bharat Mobility Expo 2025. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I want you guys to give yourself a pat on the back, because thank you so much. You guys have got us to 3 million subscribers. We love you all, and we hope to get the same amount of love and support from all of you forever. Thank you so much, and we will see you very, very soon. Cheers.